एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई एम स्नेहा एंड आज हम बात करने वाले हैं रिएक्ट नेक्सस बेंगलुरु की। सो फ्यू डेज अगो आई वाज लिटरली अनअवेयर ऑफ दिस कॉन्फ्रेंस बिकॉज कुछ महीनों से आई वाज नॉट एज मच एज इन्वॉल्वड इन टेक कम्युनिटीज एज आई यूज्ड टू बी। So I was completely unaware, but a random message from LinkedIn asked me to attend this conference as they are sponsoring the tickets, and I was like, why not? To be very honest, initially I doubted myself, and I thought that I might not be ready to attend this conference. I thought, let's give it a try. I asked one of my best friend that should I go or not, and he was like, yes, you should definitely go. This is your thing. You miss these things, right? Communicating with people, interacting with them, knowing their life, their journeys, and everything. And to be very honest, I love this. Okay. So I got the mail, I got the ticket, and then boom, I was in the Bangalore on 2nd of July और थर्ड से ये कॉन्फ्रेंस थी. सो 3, 4 and 5 2 days of conference and a day of workshop. So I took the chance and went straight to the auditorium on 3rd of July. Or I was pretty nervous, but then some people from previous edition of this conference recognized me as previously, like last year, I performed with Pritesh, the co-host, and then I attended the conference for like straight 2 days. But the major highlight here was to meet the people who sponsored my conference tickets, right? And that was none other than ImageKit. If you know about them, that's great. If you don't know, watch this video. Yes. So they sponsored my tickets to the conference, and I was really grateful for that because I had an eventful 3 days. I couldn't imagine much better than this. So I met the co-founder and CEO, Mr. Rahul, and had a great share of interaction with him about the image kit, the challenges, and what he's planning to build in the future, and how we can optimize our images for better resolution and pixels and quality, everything around image optimization. Then we had our lunch. To be very honest, I loved the dessert. Overall, I had an amazing time at the conference, met some incredible tech people and creators like Roadside Coder, Code and Cappuccino, and Bavitra. Also connected with Yashraj from GitHub and Diana and Brittany from the One Edge team. Loved hearing their experience here in India. Oh, and I even got a chance to teach Brittany some Hindi words. You can hear them. Hi Brittany, how are you? That's good. And that's it about the conference. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and follow me for more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will connect soon. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.